What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to do a full review about the Eternal project. Okay, the team behind this project is one of the well-known auditors, George the Stamp. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to get into this project. Okay, so tomorrow, 16th of February, there will be a pre-sale. So we will have 2 rounds for the pre-sales. Okay, the round number 1 will start tomorrow at 14 o'clock. Okay, and round number 2 will start on the 21st of February at 14 o'clock. And the project will go live on the 26th of February. Okay, so more details about this pre-sale. Okay, tokenomics for the project is 150,000 tokens. Okay, the initial token minted is 150,000. So pre-sale number 1 will have 50,000 tokens, and each token will cost you 1.25 USDC. Pre-sale number 2, 50,000 tokens allocated, and each token will cost you 1.50 USDC. Team allocation is 16,000 tokens. They are 4 team members, so each member will receive 4,000 tokens. So 14,000 tokens allocated to influencers and subscriber giveaways. Okay, just a side note, guys, I haven't received any tokens at all. Okay, so 20,000 tokens will be reserved in treasury. Okay, so how to participate in the pre-sale? Okay, so pre-sale is going to be live tomorrow. Okay, guys, so for now you cannot buy anything. So first things first, you got to connect your wallet, and then once you connect your wallet, okay, you will be able to see the pre-sale statistics. Right, round number 1, total USDC contributed, Eternal tokens allocated, and price per token. Okay, and down here we have your details. Okay, USDC in your wallet, USDC allowance, how much USDC you have allowed to spend, total spent, and total Eternal tokens bought. Okay, so how do you buy the tokens? You come over here, you select the amount of tokens amount of USDC that you want to spend, and over here will show you, is this correct? Yeah, over here we'll show you how many tokens you will receive. Okay, so for example, if you spend 1,000 USDC, you will receive 800 Eternal tokens. So first, you type in the amount that you want to spend. Okay, the minimum is 50, the maximum is 2,500 for the round number 1. Round number 2, the minimum is 100, the maximum is 5,000. Okay, so you come over here, you type in the amount that you want to spend, you approve, and then you contribute. Okay, so you approve, pay the MetaMask gas fee, contribute, pay the MetaMask gas fee, and the tokens will be sent to your wallet straight away. Okay, so we have 2 rounds. Okay, so the first round will start on the 16th, and the second round will start on the 21st. Okay, but in the event that the allocated token is sold out before the end of the first round, the second round will be started right away. Okay, so if the round number 1 gets sold out in a few hours or a few days prior to the 21st, okay, the second round will start once the first round is sold out. Okay, right. So let's go over to the project itself. So this is a very long Dapp, okay, but I will try my best to explain everything that you should know about this project. Over here we have the project statistics, okay, the TVL, USDC TVL, okay, the Eternal staked, total staked, okay, the token price, and number of investors. Over here we have the Eternal total supply, 365% USDC pool APR. Okay, and we have the Eternal available supply, 850,000, Eternal pool APR 730%. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see your dashboard. So USDC in your wallet, your approved USDC, the tokens that you have in your wallet, and how many tokens you have staked. Okay, you have 2 options. Okay, you can deposit USDC and earn 1% daily in Eternal rewards. Okay, or you can stake Eternal tokens and earn 2% daily in and the rewards will be Eternal tokens. Okay, So remember guys, when you come over here, approve and deposit or stake, okay, your deposit amounts or deposit tokens will be staked forever. You can no longer unstake those tokens, okay? So let's scroll further down and let's see more information about that. There you go. So users can earn. So once you deposit USDC, you will earn 1% in rewards, and the rewards will be eternal tokens. And this one, if you stake the eternal tokens, you will earn 2% in eternal tokens. Okay, users cannot unstake deposit USDC tokens. Users cannot unstake their eternal tokens. Okay, so you can only sell the eternal tokens once per week. Okay, scrolling down, we can see another claim eternal rewards dashboard over here. So once everything goes live, these numbers will start counting from the moment that you take action. Okay, once the moment you claim it, yeah, the moment you claim or sell. Okay, you will have a few buttons here, a few options. So you can claim all. So for example, let's say you are staked. Where is it? You are staked over here in USDC and staked in Eternal. Okay, guys. So you getting 1% from here and 2% from here. And if you claim all from USDC pool and Eternal pool, you claim over here. And if you want to compound all, you can compound right here. Or if you want to claim from the USDC, so you claim your Eternal from the USDC pool, you claim over here, and you want to compound here, you can compound right here. But if you want to compound both or claim both, you just click over here and it will do it automatically for you. Okay, and then after that, you will have to wait 7 days to take another to make another sell. Okay, so the max payout for Eternal staking is 250%. Bear in mind, guys, every time you claim, you pay a 10% tax. Every time you compound, you pay a 5% tax. Okay. Let's keep scrolling. And so selling, users can sell only once per week. Investors might be taxed based on anti-dump and anti-well mechanisms. Okay, more about that in a minute. Okay, over here we have the sell eternal, so the amount of the tokens that you will have, the price rates, okay, and the sell cooldown timer right here. Okay, so remember guys, you can only sell once per week. So once you sell your eternal tokens, you will be selling your tokens for USDC. Initially it's supposed to be BUSD, but you know, that's why you see the logo here, but it's going to be USDC. Okay, and over here we have the sell eternal mechanisms. Okay, so every time you sell, you will pay a 20% tax applied. You pay a 20% sell tax. Okay, sell tax will be used for paying referrals. Users can only sell once every 7 days. Users that sell eternal tokens and has no eternal stake tokens will pay an additional 50% penalty tax. Users that sell eternal tokens more than 25% of their eternal stake will pay an additional 50% tax. Okay, so 50% plus 20% equals 70%. Okay, so you only make 30% profit. Okay, damn, that's a hefty tax right there. But yeah, it is what it is. Over here we have the deposit jackpots. Okay, deposit jackpots. So we have two features. So last deposit jackpot, and we have the top deposit jackpots. Okay, so the last deposit jackpot, so how it works is, so every 12 hours, if no one else deposits after you, okay, you will win the prize pool. Okay, the prize pool will start at 500 USDC and will stop at 2000 USDC. Okay, you will see the USDC jackpot right here. Okay, it goes from 500 all the way to 2000. Okay, and we can see the winner address right here, or the potential winner. We'll have the countdown timer right there, and the same goes to the top deposit jackpots. Okay, so how does it work? The same thing. So in 48 hours, a a top depositor will win the prize. Okay, so if you deposit, let's say 100k, and nobody deposits more than 100k, after 48 hours, you will win 2% back as cash back. Okay, let's go to referral statistics. Over here. Let's see, they also have the anti-whale mechanisms. Okay, so on staking claims, a whale tax will kick in if the user claim exceeds 1% of eternal token supplies. Okay, and over here we have the anti-whale tax percentage. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. So if you are going to jump in this project, please come over here and read the docs. Okay, they have the anti-free loader feature. Okay, this is done to force users to stake USDC if they magically acquired eternal tokens. Okay, a user must stake USDC and eternal in a 1-to-1 ratio or more. This includes team influencers and giveaway recipients. Okay, so the max payout is 250%. Okay, so after that, game over, you'll have to redeposit some more. And over here we can see how the eternal price will be calculated, or can be calculated. Okay, total supply is the total amount of eternal tokens that are currently in wallets. Okay, eternal price, total price, USDC balance divided by the total supply, and you will get eternal price. Okay, so if they sold out, if they sell every single token and every single token are staked, okay, you can have an estimate about how much the token price can be. And also they show it over here. Okay, so if 80% of the tokens purchased on presale are staked, the price of eternal token will be 167. If 90% of the tokens are staked, the price will be 205. And if 100 tokens purchased on presale are staked, the token price will be 258. Cool. We have the referral bonus. Tax from staking claims and selling tokens will be used for payout referrals. Okay, we have 5 levels in your downline, round robin style to prevent self-referring, and flat 3% affiliate commission. Okay, so you get 3% referral commission. So taxes. So invest. Every time you invest USDC, you'll pay 0% tax on that. Every time you deposit eternal, you'll pay a 10% tax. Every time you claim, you pay a 10% tax. Every time you compound, you pay a 10% tax, 5% tax, sorry. And on sale, you pay 20% tax. All taxes will stay or burned in the contract. Okay, this will be good to burn the token supply, decrease the token supply, so that means the price will increase. So if you go over here to the calculator again, where is it? Where's the calculator? Where is the calculator? Right here. Okay, so let's say we have $1 million inside a smart contract, and the total supply gets less and less and less. So that means we have $1 million and divided by less total supply. So that means the token price will be higher. Okay, but if the total supply is very high, okay, the ultimate price, the token price, will be low. Okay, so the less tokens around, the better for the token appreciation. And lastly, deposit fee. The only fee for the team will be for new USDC deposits. Okay, and basically that's it, guys. You can also do airdrops. Okay, you can do airdrops right here. Okay, all you gotta do is select the amount and paste the address of the user, and boom. Okay, the minimum airdrop is 1 eternal token. Only actively staked users can receive an airdrop. Each airdrop will be charged with 5% airdrop tax. Okay, so as you can see right here, there is airdrop taxes everywhere. And over here, we can see the sacrifice eternal token. Okay, so that means if you want to sacrifice, or that means burning that token, you can burn that token. Okay, so if everybody do a little bit, okay, we can see a good price appreciation. But basically, that's it, guys. Hope you guys have a better picture about this project. It's a bit extensive, but once you go through the docs and read everything step by step, you'll be able to have a better understanding how everything will work. Okay, so before you interact with the project, make sure you double check the smart contract, make sure you are interacting with the smart contract. And I would also recommend to stay close to the TG, the stamp itself. Okay, and yeah, if you have any questions about the project, just come over here to the Telegram group and ask as many questions as you can and once about the project or any of the projects, and the George Stamp itself will be happy to answer all your questions. Okay, that being said, guys, all the videos, all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.